Understanding GST as tax on value addition. So to understand this clearly about, I'll give one simple easy example. First of all, you remember the tax which is deposited to the government or tax deposited with the government, that is equals to GST collected. So goods services tax, the GST which is collected and minus in GST paid. So GST paid. This is both the simple thing you remember first. Here is the tax deposited with the government, that is equal to GST collected minus GST paid. So let us see what is this with example. So let an item purchased by the trader from the manufacturing company. Okay, there is a manufacturing company, manufacturer. So from manufacturer, next they will get the trader or dealer. Trader, and next is the consumer or end user. So consumer, or we can say end user. So end user means they will not sell to anymore. And manufacturer, it made one item and is sold to the trader, say rupees 5,000. That means trader's cost price. Manufacturer selling price is equal to trader's cost price. So he purchased one item for say rupees 5,000. So for 5,000, and let's say tax GST will be 12%. So on this total transaction, I'm taking GST is equals to 12%. So tax, goods services tax is 12% on this transaction. Okay, manufacturer made an item. So that item is sold to the trader for 5,000. And next this trader is added with some profit of 1,000. Okay, with profit. Now with profit is sold to the consumer for 6,000. So consumer's cost price is 5,000 plus 1,000. So that will be 6,000. Okay, so trader gave to the consumer with the profit. So from year to year is with the profit. So profit is rupees 1,000. So consumer or end user or customer, his cost price is 6,000. So in this transaction, let us see how tax should be calculated. First GST collected. So trader first he purchased from the manufacturer. So is the GST collected it is. So when you come to this trader, GST on purchasing. So 12%. So here is GST. This is on purchase. So GST on purchase is 12% of 5,000. Right, 12% of 5,000 is 12 by 100 into 5,000. If you calculate this, 50 into 12, 12 5 0, 600. So GST on purchase is 600. Now next, GST on sale. GST on sale. So he sold for 6,000, right? Cost price is 5,000 on trader. So manufacturer directly selling price only, for him no cost price because manufacturer only made. So his selling price is nothing but trader's cost price. Now he sold, selling price with profit 6,000 to the consumer. So GST on sale because he purchased and he sold. So GST on sale is out of 6,000 in this same 12%, right? Same 12 by 100 into 6,000. So this cancel 720, right? Rupees 720. So one thing you can notice here, tax should be GST collected and GST paid. So he collected 6,000 and this is paid. That is nothing but the trader will pay only this 720 minus 720 will pay, but extra will get the customer. From customer only 720 plus GST is on selling price. 720 plus 6,000. So customer is supposed to pay. From this, trader will pay this amount, 600, right? So finally the government, as to the tax, that is equals to what we discussed, GST collected minus GST paid, or GST on sale price minus GST on cost price. So tax is nothing but GST on this sale price minus cost price. That is GST on value addition. How much is value added on that only? That means on the profit only GST will be calculated. So there is a 720 minus 600 is equals to 120. So only 120 rupees on this transaction the tax should be paid to the government. Okay, that you should remember. So only on value addition, that is remember. So how much extra is added? So extra is added only 1000. So alternative way directly you can find out. So the profit is equals to 1000. So directly GST on profit, that is 12% of 1000. Obviously this will get 120. Same thing got, right? So same as it is. So GST is to be paid on value addition. This GST is to be paid only on difference of sale price and purchase price. You can remember that. Only the difference of the sale price and purchase price. Or GST should be calculated only on the profit. So this is the main important thing. Now let us see some exactly what are the types of GST within the state, one state to other state, because there is only single tax throughout the nation. So this come to this one nation, one tax. Okay, with the aim to the government to implementing this GST. Let us see the types and how to do the problems on this.